हेलो, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सी 2025 निकल गया, 2026 आ गया, बट आपकी इंग्लिश वैसे की वैसी है, नो चेंज। अभी भी आप बोलने से पहले माइंड में एक परफेक्ट रिस्पॉन्स रिहर्स करते रहते हो 100 टाइम्स। प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए आपके पास कोई है नहीं, अकेले प्रैक्टिस करना बोरिंग लगता है। एंड इफ़ यू वांट ये 2026 भी ऐसे ही वेस्ट ना हो, देन गिव मी जस्ट 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, I will share 5 simple and funny techniques that you can implement right away to practice your English. Don't worry, उसके लिए आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्सेज और यू डोंट नीड एनीवन टू प्रैक्टिस विद। आप जहाँ हो, जैसे भी हो, यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट टेक्निक, 1 minute रूल। बहुत सिंपल है। In this, you have to speak for 60 seconds only about anything. आप क्या कर सकते हो इसके लिए? You can look around and find any object or anything that you use on a daily basis. उसके बारे में बस आपको 60 seconds के लिए बोलना है। मैं आपको बताती हूँ फॉर द रेफरेंस आप कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, जिससे आपको थोड़ा आइडिया मिल जाएगा। फॉर दिस वीडियो आई एम टेकिंग दिस यूट्यूब। आई विल टॉक अबाउट यूट्यूब फॉर 60 seconds. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि यही तो प्रॉब्लम है कि कैसे बोलना है, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है और कैसे एंड करना है, 60 seconds वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट आपको वो वाला चैलेंज होता है कि कैसे इनिशिएट करना है, उसके लिए भी डोंट वरी, फॉलो दिस। व्हाट, वाई, व्हेन, हाउ, वेयर एंड हु, ये सारे एक क्वेश्चन ट्रिक है। जब हम अटक जाते हैं ना कहीं पे, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस वी कैन स्पीक मोर। जैसे कि मुझे यूट्यूब के लिए बोलना है। पहला, व्हाट। यूट्यूब इज़ अ पॉपुलर वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म। वाई, आई वॉच वीडियोज़, लर्न न्यू स्किल्स एंड गेट एंटरटेनमेंट फ्रॉम यूट्यूब। व्हेन, I use YouTube almost every day, at least 1 hour in a day. For that, I watch some podcasts, stand-up comedy, or some English videos. And I also create English videos for English learners. And this was just an example. इसके लिए आप और डिटेल में जा सकते हो, like who is your favorite YouTuber, or which is your favorite video, or what did you learn recently from YouTube. This method will help you speak spontaneously and on spot. ये वाला मेजर प्रॉब्लम होता है कि हम ऑन स्पॉट नहीं बोल पाते। सो दीज क्वेश्चंस विल हेल्प यू स्ट्रक्चर योर आंसर एंड रिस्पॉन्स प्रॉपरली। ट्राई दिस। नाउ सेकंड टेक्निक, पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन। ये भी सिंपल है। इसके लिए आपको कोई पिक्चर लेनी है फ्रॉम योर गैलरी, और यू कैन क्लिक अ पिक्चर इंस्टेंटली, और एनीथिंग फ्रॉम इंटरनेट। फॉर दिस वीडियो पर्पज आई विल टेक दिस पिक्चर। I will give you a demo how you can describe this picture, और आप अपने साइड से you can do the same thing. In this, step 1 is, first think about the vocabulary used in this picture. Okay, what can I think right now? Market, stalls, spices, fruits, vegetables, auto rickshaw, flowers, buyer, seller, bargaining, anything that comes to your mind. Think about all the words. Step 2, talk about what you are seeing in this picture. Okay, for example, I can say, this is a picture of local market in India. On both sides of street, there are some shops or stalls. Some people are selling flowers, fruits, vegetables and spices. Some people are buying fruits, spices and vegetables. I can see some flowers hanging outside the shop. 2 auto rickshaws are standing on the road. Likewise, whatever you are seeing, describe that. Talk about that in English. Now, step 3, share your personal experience in the similar setup. Or if you are the part of this picture, what would you be doing? ये आपको बताना है। सिंपल, आप अगर इस पिक्चर में हो तो आप क्या कर रहे होगे? You can talk about that in English. So that's how you can describe this picture. Very simple. इसमें आपको बहुत सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा, जो भी आपको दिखना है you have to talk about that. Third technique, emoji techniques. ये भी बहुत सिंपल है। इसमें आपको with the help of emojis you have to think about something in English, any personal experience or anything. For example, I'm taking these 3 emojis. आप कितने भी ले सकते हो, 1, 2, 3, 4, based on your comfort. For this video, I'm using these three emojis to create a short story. I will share my experience. You can do the same thing. Here I can say, last month I took a flight to Delhi to meet my friend. My friend lives there, so I visited her. It was her birthday, so I wanted to surprise her. And she loves receiving gifts, so I gifted her a beautiful dress and she loved it. Very simple and short story. Likewise, you can create a story based on your experience. And it's a fun activity to do. You can do it anytime, anywhere. And this particular activity will encourage you to think in English. So try this. फोर्थ, shadowing टेक्निक. ये भी सिंपल है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले टेक अ क्लिप फ्रॉम यूट्यूब और एनी ऑडियो क्लिप. सेकेंड स्टेप, either you can speak with the speaker or you can repeat after that. If you are a beginner, repeat after the speaker. And if you are someone who is comfortable to speak along with the speaker, then that's great. And ये clip आपको आपके level के according लेनी है. If you are a beginner, then I would recommend you to go for stories, kids stories. You can search on YouTube English stories for kids. You can get there. They are very addictive. You will love them a lot. And if you are comfortable with simple English, you can go for speech or TED Talk or podcast. TED Talk is a great choice. You can find very engaging or very interesting stories from people about their experiences. You can do shadowing with the help of these TED Talks or speeches. And shadowing is very effective when it comes to learning any language. इसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं. How someone is speaking in English, how they are using their words, vocabulary and sentence framing. आप इसमें ये सारी चीज़ें you can practice with the help of them. और इसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा इसके बारे में क्या बोलना है. You know the content, बस आपको deliver करना है. Fifth and final, record and review. I know some of you might not be comfortable with recording. Starting में we don't like our voice or we don't like to see ourselves recording or in front of the camera. It's difficult, but अब अगर try करोगे, you will see a change. With the help of recording, you can easily spot कि आप fumble कहाँ पे कर रहे हो, filler words कहाँ पे use कर रहे हो, और exactly कोई pronunciation और कोई grammar related error कहीं पे भी आपको दिख रहा है, you can easily spot. And ये वाली recording आप खुद के लिए करोगे, no one is watching you, just you have to face yourself. It is very important to face the fear, otherwise you will always keep struggling with that. So try this. इसमें आप ज़्यादा नहीं, आप you don't need to record yourself for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Simply start by 2 minutes. Start by recording yourself for 2 minutes only. आपके फ़ोन में, उसके लिए आपको कोई और सोर्स की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. And the best time for this activity is before going to bed. In this you can talk about your day or recap or share your experience, anything that makes you comfortable to talk in English. इसमें आप खुद को फीडबैक दोगे, खुद की ही इंग्लिश जज करोगे. No one is coming to watch you. Based on that, you can see a drastic improvement. And these were 5 techniques from my side. Try all of them one by one and start from right away. Tell me in the comment section what is your experience, what did you learn from this video. Start right now and speak for 60 seconds about this. And try all these other techniques as well and let me know your experience. And remember, English learning is not a one-time thing. It's a habit. You have to build consciously. You have to integrate that into your day-to-day routine. So try all these techniques every single day. All the best for that. And thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video.